Prepare the requisites: a clean basin, mild liquid detergent, and a spacer device. Remove the silicone face mask. Remove the base by placing your thumb into the hole. Pull it away from the space chamber. Do not remove the mouthpiece. Fill the basin with clean tap water. Ensure that there is enough water to fully submerge the spacer. Add 2 drops of mild liquid detergent into the water. Soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, do not rinse the space chamber. Gently shake off any excess water. Rinse the silicone face mask thoroughly with clean water. Place it aside to dry. Do not use cloth or paper towel to wipe dry. Reassemble the spacer device once all parts are completely dry.